we are fortunate to have with us here Sriprapha Petcharamesree, who is a faculty member at Mahidol University, Center for Human Rights and Peace Studies. And Sriprapha, the notions of inclusion and exclusion, how can we apply those in understanding the challenges for ethnic, religious, and linguistic minorities in various states and also in Southeast Asia?
I actually will start with quoting Benedict Anderson. The nation state is inherently exclusive. Why it is exclusive? Because the basic function of nation state is actually to manage resources. And we know that resources is usually very limited. So nation state will have to find some ways to ensure that resources is actually properly organized and managed. The highest membership good that we are talking here is actually about citizenship. Distinction between us and them is so clear that up to the point it leads to what we call now discrimination, because you are not treating them in the same way. And I think this is extremely important because it leads to another question, which is about being different. Even you were born in the same country, but if you are different, you might not be considered as member of that particular community. And this is what I call, and that's what I said earlier, what I call politics of difference. Like in the case of Thailand, we got different groups. We got minorities or Hill tribes in the northern part of Thailand, at least in 20 provinces in the country. We came to know some years ago that millions of them, more than millions of them, did not have Thai citizenship. And most of them didn't have any document at all. Why so? Because they speak differently. They may look alike the Thai, but the fact that they speak differently, already they are different. And because ethnically they may be different as well. So actually the Thai authority may be thinking that, they are not one of us. It's not for the Thai authority, nation state, to give them Thai nationality. Until now, after years of working on it, about 500,000, ethnic or Hill tribe people still do not get access to Thai nationality. Already they were excluded.